Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Tree in Magic. In this video we're going to show you a mental card magic trick that it's so great to learn and you can fool anyone, and we can see that you can't wait to learn it and see the trick. So here's the performance. First of all, we need the deck of cards. You can shuffle the cards as many as you want, or the spectator can shuffle it too. Okay, right now we have three pieces of papers. And I will predict some numbers on it. And yeah, and the spectator should choose eight random cards, and it should those eight cards should be face up, and I should see it. I mean, the magician should see it, and of course, those prediction the spectator should not see it. So yeah, right now I will write the prediction, and my brother will choose those eight cards. Well, for example, this one. First prediction. Well, okay. You can put it right here, and you can see its cards. And now, wait. For the predictions. Okay, and right now again, give the cards to the magician, to do the magic, and now we tell the spectator that we turn it, and we tell the spectator we'll face down these cards. Okay. Right now, tell the spectator, do you wanna cut the cards for several times like this, or do you wanna these two top cards, make them like this? They will say cut and one time turn. Again cut, maybe again cut. That's up to the spectator, and the magician will just listen to the spectator. Right now it is finished. Right now we open the cards, and we can see how many cards are face up. Just 5 of them, and 3 of them are face down. And for our first prediction, we hope that you can see it. We wrote 5 and a 3. 5 cards face up and 3 of them face down. So that was the first prediction, and we don't need it anymore. And now we make 2 piles. Now we tell the spectator which one do you want to be on which pile, and we should return that pile that you want to be on the other pile. Now the spectator will say maybe this pile. We will turn it and put it right here. And now again we open it. For the other prediction, all the cards are face up, expect 1 card. And we wrote that 7 of them are face up, expect 1 of them. And for the last prediction, there is just only 1 card that is face down, and that is 5 of diamonds. And for the prediction, we predict 5 of diamonds. So yeah, it was great and it was cool, and be sure that you can fool literally anyone with this card magic trick. Well, you saw the performance. We hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Here's a tutorial. First of all, these two predictions should be always the same. You should not change the number 7 1 5 3. You should not change the number. Okay, now turn them. First, you should put 5 3 table, and then 7 1 second. And now we tell the spectator to choose 8 random cards. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here we don't need the rest of it. Now Now, actually, we think, yeah, this is these 8 cards are the performance cards, but it's not important. Yeah, that's great. But how we wrote these 5 of diamonds here? Now, when the spectator, well, the spectator is putting cards on the table, you should look at the first card. It is 5 of diamonds, and we wrote the 5 of diamonds like this. We look at the top card. If top card was 3 of spade, so we have to write 3 of spade. And now, yeah, let me do that. Yeah, and now we should uh, show the spectator this card. We should have to show this card to the spectator face up, and we should turn the second card, the fourth card, the sixth card, like this, and we should not touch 5 of diamonds here. And now we can cut it. We can cut it. It's not important. We can uh we can turn the first 2 cards. We can turn the first 2 cards. Of course, the spectator will tell us to what to do. If they say cut, we cut. If they say turn return, then we return the card. And now, when we put to the on the table, it should be look like this. We tell the spectator 5 of them are face down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 of them are face up, like this. Sorry, face down. 5 of them are face down, and 3 of them are face up, like this. And now, again. So, right now, for this part, for the second prediction, we should divide this pile into another pile. And now we tell the spectator, which pile do you want to be on, which pile, and when you said this pile and this pile, we should turn it. I mean, or return it. If we imagine they say this pile and this pile, and we turn it and like this, and we can do a cut. That's not important. Now, we again, if you want it, you can cut the card. Now we open the cards. And all of them, and let's count how many of them are face down. 1 of them are just face down, and the others are face up, like the prediction. 7 of them face up, and just 1 of them face down, like this. And now there is just 1 card that is face down. For the second prediction, sorry, for the third prediction, that it was 5 of diamonds. It is 5 of diamonds. So yeah, we hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Sorry for our mistakes in our speaking. We want to improve them by recording these videos. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.